Yaman, he's not go... Di sila pupunta dito ngayon. Your mommy's sick. He's have a diarrhea and he's pooping too much.
Mom, I want you to feel better now.
So, mommy did not celebrate birthdays today, okay?
I want you to celebrate your birthday today because I love you so much. I still miss you.
There's a lot of time. There's a lot of days to celebrate. Your mommy is not feeling well, okay? You need to understand, okay? Even your daddy is not feeling well too. And your mommy,
What is it?
she's not feeling well.
How about my dad?
He's not feeling well too.
What is it?
Masakit daw ang katawan niya.
What?
There's a lot, the body pain. You say bye-bye.